Hello everyone. So I recently got the following request from a user. He wanted to, from a hyperview client with the measures active. So let's say you have your static or your dynamic min-max result. So let's take the static min-max result here, for instance. He wanted for a given contour to get this information pushed into the TableView client. So let me show you how to do it thanks to the measures. And for this, I will use an intermediate step just to show you the process using hypergraph. So let's start with the hyperview client. I will go to the measure manager here, static min-max result. Please make sure before doing it that you animate at least once your result in hyperview so that this method works properly. Now go to the static min-max results, ask to send the curves into an existing window and take care of checking the live link. By doing this, we will point to the measure. If you do not check the live link, what we will push to hypergraph is just the points themselves. Now I can click on send. I have my two curves. So if I go to my two curves and I go to the define panel in hypergraph, I can see my two different measures, the mean and the max. And basically the only thing that I need to do is Control C and put it in the cell here, Control V. So we get a vector because we have a value for every of the item, every of the frame, let's say, of the animation. So let's take only the first point of the vector, 0. Here it is. And if you go back to the hypergraph client, so this is for the mean, and for the max, you can do the same with the y value. So there is one just small change, which is you see that the first item after the dot, measure 1 dot, is moving from 0 for the minimum to 1 for the maximum. And we can do the same. So curly brace, Control V. Curly brace is because it is a Templex code in hyperview hypergraph. Square bracket 0. And let's say that you want to cut to change the precision. You can also add comma, percentage, let's say 8.2 f. 8 is a complete length of the string, if you consider the number of the string. And f is for floating number. .2 is the number of decimals after the comma. And here it is. And you could do the same here, even if it's already percentage 8.2 f, and you get the same. So here it is. Hope this helps.